Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy and filling fried rice recipe, ideal as a light dinner or as a lunch to include in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a cast iron wok or a kadai, I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed sesame oil. Sesame oil is also known as gingerly oil. Wood pressed or cold pressed sesame oil helps to reduce inflammation in the body, regulates fasting blood sugar levels. It helps to balance hormones, hence it is ideal for those with hormonal issues like PCOS and thyroid. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood pressed oils in your diet for your better health. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 8 to 10 chopped garlic cloves. Allow the garlic to saute until it starts to turn light golden brown in color. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 8 to 10 sliced shallots. Give it a stir. Now I prefer to use shallots in my recipes as they're a good source of iron and folate. They're also good source of antioxidants. Now instead of shallots, you can use 1/4 of an onion chopped. Shallots also will give a nice amazing flavor to the fried rice. Once the shallot starts to turn transparent or light pink in color, I'm adding in 10 to 12 chopped beans. Give this a good stir. Let it stir fry on high flame for about a minute. Remember, I'm using a heavy bottomed cast iron wok which retains more heat, and the flame is on high. So this gets done really fast. It's very easy and very quick meal to have as a light and filling dinner or as a lunch. Next I'm adding in 1 carrot chopped, 4 to 5 broccoli florets cut into small pieces. Give this a good mix. Allow it to stir fry for about 2 minutes. Into this I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good stir. 2 minutes later I'm adding in half cup of chopped cabbage, half cup chopped capsicum. Give it a good stir. Feel free to use any seasonal vegetable of your choice. You can add in green peas or mushrooms, any seasonal vegetable of your choice. Next I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoon fermented soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Give it a good stir. Next I'm adding in perfectly cooked non-sticky brown rice. To know how I cooked the brown rice, please watch the video till the very end. The recipe will be towards the end of this video. So make sure you watch the full video to know how to make non-sticky perfectly cooked brown rice. So into this I'm adding in the brown rice. Give it a good stir. Stir it really well and make sure that the rice is nicely mixed into the vegetables and the soy sauce. I'm using fermented soy sauce. However, instead of fermented soy sauce, you can use coconut aminos. And once it is nicely mixed, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And if you feel you need little more spice, you can add in half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. So adjust spice and salt as per your taste. And once nicely mixed, turn off the flame. And once the flame has been turned off, I'm adding in 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for some healthy gut-friendly probiotics. Give it a good stir and serve the fried rice into a bowl. You can see how perfectly the brown rice has cooked. It is non-sticky and perfectly cooked. Transfer the fried rice to a serving bowl. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of hand-pound brown rice. Into this, I'm adding in some water. I'm soaking the rice for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now, the reason why you need to soak grains like rice is to help release the phytic acid content in them. Phytates or phytic acid are nutrient inhibitors. That is, it may prevent nutrient absorption. So always try to soak grains and then use them. So I'm going to soak it for about 20 to 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes later, wash and rinse the rice and keep it on a strainer. I have washed and rinsed the rice and I've kept it on a strainer. Add the washed and rinsed rice into a pressure cooker. Add in 2 cups of water. I measured the water in the same cup in which I measured the rice. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a quick stir. Cover the pressure cooker. Once steam starts to come through the hob, place the weight on the hob. After the first whistle, reduce the flame to the lowest and let it cook on low flame for exactly 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, turn off the flame and open the cooker only after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the pressure has released by itself. I'm opening the pressure cooker. You can see that the rice has cooked perfectly. I'm lightly fluffing the rice with a fork. The rice is perfectly cooked, and the best part is the rice is non-sticky. Transfer the cooked brown rice into a bowl. So guys, do try this healthy fried rice recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.